Morning everyone, my name is Gautam. My name is Aditya Rajal. Studying here second standard A section. Today I am going to present a way of brushing our teeth. First, put toothpaste on your breath. Next, brush your teeth up and down in small circles. Brush your teeth up and down in small circles. Clean all sides of each tooth. Clean all sides of each tooth. Brush your tongue. Brush your back teeth carefully. Brush your back teeth carefully. Brush your tongue and use your mouth. Brush your tongue and use your mouth. I will give you the exercise. Thank you for viewing this opportunity. Thank you and have a nice day.